Practical miles versus short miles paid to truckers. From Robert Allen and RealTruckDriver.com. Paid miles are supposed to show your real trip miles that you drive. In the trucking industry, most drivers are paid by short miles. But practical miles are closer to actual miles you drive. Using practical miles are around 4% greater than short miles. Short miles equals a 2-cent per mile loss. Bummer. Get more money for same amount of miles that you drive by driving for a company that pays practical miles. Practical miles are the routes that are best for a big truck to take. Short miles often take big trucks through smaller towns on less than practical roads.